Hi, guys, in this video, I will guide you how can you update Windows drivers. First of all, open Settings. Then click on Update and Security. Enable the option Get the latest updates as soon as possible. Click on Optional Updates. Select all the drivers to be installed. Also check for updates, it will automatically install the essential components for Windows. Guys, it is a lengthy process, so can take a few hours. Also, it can slow down Windows, especially in low-end devices, but it's worth it. Open Chrome and search for Driver Booster. Simply download Driver Booster app. After download, simply install this. Click on Scan Now to start checking your drivers to be downloaded. Guys, this is a free version, so you only download and install basic drivers. Before you start, make sure you are not selecting game drivers, otherwise it would ask you to buy a license. You can also purchase for enhanced features. Then click on option Automatically Reboot PC. Now just have to take rest while it is being done.